Multivariate testing, or MVT as it's more commonly known, has a reputation of being complicated and difficult to set up. However, during this video, you will see that by following a simple process, you can reduce the complexity and extend your testing capabilities. If you're watching this video, you're already familiar with A/B testing, but you may want the greater flexibility that MVT can offer. Unlike A/B tests, in MVT there will be many factors that will each have multiple variations, and the experiment will try to establish which combination of these factors and variations will deliver the most favourable results. Before you start, you need to identify each of the factors that you're going to use for your experiment. You should have already decided on what variations or levels of each factor you're going to display. Here's a straightforward approach that should help you to define the different combinations available. In this example, we'll keep it simple by using 3 factors and 3 levels as well as the existing page as a control. Each of your factors and levels defined in a grid like this should provide clarity as to which item goes where when you're setting up your MVT tests. If we were going to use a full factorial test, then every potential combination of levels and factors will be tested, which would take a long time to show statistical significance, and the time taken to do that could be prohibitive. With fractional factorial, the number of experiments is reduced, and in this example it's reduced by 75%. With a little coding experience, you can easily build out a simple MVT test using our advanced editor. As you can see here, just follow the simple stages, choose the assisted route, and you'll have your MVT test created in minutes. In this example, we've highlighted the JavaScript that will determine the changes for one of the 3 factors. Each change will have to be added in this way for each factor within each level. After the variations have been saved, you'll see a summary of the different levels and factors. Before you deploy your MVT test, you can also preview it within the dashboard. In conclusion, MVT tests are a little more complex than A/B tests, but with a little practice and some basic JavaScript, the combination of factors and levels allows for much greater flexibility in your testing.